Hello everyone, Skynet Computers. Just showing a little demonstration today on Android running on Panasonic CF-U1. Um, we have an operating system that's actually compatible with this device, and it works pretty decent, pretty okay. I do use this device for emulation as a Game Boy Advanced. You could use it for other purposes. App Store is fully functioning on this device. Wi-Fi is fully functioning on this device. The device is running pretty good. Just a slight millisecond lag, but it's not a big deal. For example, I use this device for my RetroArch, and it seems to be running really good, really good for all my Super Nintendo games, my PlayStation games, PlayStation 1 I mean, um, PlayStation Portable, Game Boy Advanced, um, really good. Highly recommended. Uh, check the bio for the download link, follow and subscribe. Thank you for choosing Skynet.